Hello students, welcome to PraescioEdu Scholarship Exam Standard 5th online class. Subject Mathematics and the topic is questions based on the numbers 1 to 100. In this video, we are going to cover the exercise 4 which is available in our Navneet digest. And before that one, the one example also there. So we will go through that one. The page number 217, 217. Please open and I will request all the students, please listen carefully. There is a one question on already solved. How many numbers in all from 1 to 100 are multiple of the 14? Now, in such a type of the questions are there, multiple of the 14 means in the table of the 14. So how many are there? We know 14 sevens are 98. After 98, if add the 14, so it will cross the 100. Means there are the 14 numbers which are in multiples of the 14s. Okay, means there are the 17 such numbers which are in multiples of the 14. That is the meaning. Okay, so the option number 2 means the 7 is the correct. Like this one, this is the one example like this. Not only for the 14, sometimes asking for the 12 or sometimes asking for the 13. Suppose the 12, so we know the 12 means what? So 12 8s are, we say the 96. Okay, so there are how many numbers are there? There are the 8 numbers in this is the meaning. Okay, so like this one, we can give the answers. So for this one, we must know the all the multiples tables. We have to remember all the multiples tables. Means below the 100, we can say below the 100, whatever the multiples is there, we have to count it that one. Okay, so this is very simple. And earlier already we have seen how many times how many times digit occurs 1 to 100. We will going to see the exercise number 4. There is a question number 1. How many two digits odd numbers are there in all? Two digit, only about the two digit. Okay, means 10 to 99. Okay, we have to think about only this much. Okay, now if you have the table, you can see the number table. In last video also I have shown 1 to 100, 1 to 100 table. Okay, now if you look at that one, 1 to 9, 1 to 9, these are the 1 to 9, these are the 9 numbers, and the 100 one number means 10 numbers. There are the counting of the 10 numbers. Okay, in the 1 to 100. Now if these 10 numbers are one digit, either three digit. Okay, but we are asking for the two digit number, means 100 minus 10, it comes the 90. So there are the 90 numbers. But in our question, if you see the odd numbers, 90 means these 90s are even and odd. But in our question, only the odd numbers, means half of this one. So 90 is here, all the even and the odd. So half of this one means 45. So the 45 means the option number 2 is the correct one. Now, in how many two digit numbers does 0 appear? Now, only the two digit. Now, 10 to 99, these are the two digit. If you count 10, 20, which have the two digit, okay, occurring at the two digit, means, or we can say appearing the 0 digit. Okay, so this 0 digit is counted in 10, 20 up to the 90, means there are the 9 numbers. So 9 numbers means option number 1 is there. Now look at the page number 218. The question number 3. How many times does 9 occurs in two digit number? Now this is the two digit number. Okay, 9 occurring. We know 9 occurring total 1 to 100. How many times 9 occurring for 1 to 100, even all the digits? That is the 20 times. Okay, now single digit number we have to deduct because 9 only. You here asking the two digit. In this question, the two digit means 9, this one counting has to deduct, so the 19 comes. So 19 times means the option number 3 comes. Okay, so on your page number 217, you can see the point 4 in a theoretical at the middle. There is a one table. How many times the digit occur? So 2 to 9. Okay, all are occurring the 20 times. Okay, but only about the two digit number, means we have to consider 10 to 99. So that's why one counting means a single digit 9 has to be deducted. So 20 minus 1 gets the 19. Now the question number 4, how many times does 4 occurs in two digit number? It's the same like a 9 also. Okay, so option number 1 means 19 is the correct one for the question number 4. Now the question number 5, how many times does 1 occur in a number from 1 to 100? 1 to 100, we know the one occurring 21 time. If you can see on a 217 page, you can get that count, exactly number of times the counting, or you can count from the 1 to 100. So the 21 means the option number 4 is the correct one. Now the question number 6, how many times does 8 occurs in a number from 1 to 100? It's the same like 2 to 9, okay? 2 to 9, all the number have 20 times. This is already we have seen, means including a single digit and 2 digit and 3 digit, means 1 to 100, okay? So the 20 is comes in a option number 3. Now the question number 7, how many two digits number have the same digit in a units and tens places? Means if suppose unit place this one and the tens place this one, so whatever the digit here and here all are the same. Means no, 11, then 22, then 33, like this one. Means it's the 11's table, but up to the 100. Means it's like a same, the solve question is asking the how many 14's multiples come. So here also the same meaning, 11's multiples come. So we know maximally 99 is there. 11 to 19 means there are the 9 digits. So the 9 numbers are there. So the option number 1 is correct one. Now question number 8, how many two digit number are there not having digit 4? Not having digit 4, okay, two digit, okay. We know in earlier we have counted 19 such numbers which have the 4 including the numbers, okay. And we know how many two digit number there are, the 19. 90 minus 19, so it comes the 71, okay, 71, but that is a digit occurring. 44, now about the 44, these are the two countings, but we have to count the number whole, so we should not be count double. So that's why instead of the 19 we have to deduct the 18. I am again saying this 19 comes for the digit counting, but we have to count the numbering. So here either we have to count add 1, okay, so 72 comes, or we can deduct 18, because this is a numbering counting, this is not a digit counting. That's a very important point, please remember this one, okay. So either we can deduct 18, or for the digit how many, 19, and then because of the repeating digit we have to add it one time, okay, because we have to count the numbering. This is also one way, or directly this one also the one way. So answer also comes the 90 minus 18, 72. So this answer 72 is the correct one, okay. I have explained here the both the way to understand the concept from digit counting and the numbering counting also, okay. So 72 is option number 2 for the question number 8. Now, question number 9, how many numbers in all from 1 to 100 are multiple of 6? Now, multiple of 6. It's the same like a one question, one solved question on page number 217 for the 14. And even for the 11 also, we have counted the 9. Now, for the 6, we know up to the 60, 10 times. Now 66 means 66, then 72, 78, then 84, then 90 and 96. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 10 plus 6 it's comes 16, or we can say 16 numbers have 16, so 6 have the 16, like this, vice versa also we can do. So for this question the 16 times comes, so 16 is mentioned in option number 4. Now the question number 10, the sum of the digits of two digit numbers is 13. Sum of the digits of two digit number. There is the two digit number, unit place, and the here the 10 place and here the unit place. Now if we added these two digit, okay, so the sum comes, I will mention like this one, added this one, the sum comes the 13, okay. If 27 is added to the number, if that number added with a 27, the digit get interchanged, what is the number? Now in this case we have to check first options with available our options. Now 58, there is another method if there is not objective, just for your information, means we can assume something, this one a and b, okay, and then we have, and then means a multiplied by 10 plus b is equals to 13. This is the one equation comes, and then a plus b multiplied by 10 means after the interchange it comes the 27. This is the equation number 2, and then we have to solve it this one. This is another method for just for your information. But to save our time in our exam, what we have to do, we have to first check the options. Okay, so here the 58. Okay, so 58, if we added 5 plus 8, 13 comes. Oh, so okay, so this first criteria is fulfilling. Okay, then if you interchange means 5 8 and 5, so after the interchanging we have to deduct, means we have to make the difference, we have to calculate the difference, means 85 minus 58. So here comes, so 25 plus 2 means 27. So this is also fulfilling our another criteria. Now means this option may be correct, but we have to check for the other options also. So for the 85 here, 85 here, okay, and if you added the 85, so here the 85 means here comes the 58, and which is a fulfilling our addition of the digit 13 here. But if you added the 27 in 85, means in 85 if we added the 27, it comes the crossing the 100, means it comes the third digit, but we require the 58, means it should be reduction. So this should not be, we have to go forward, means we have to add a 27 in 58 here. So that's why this option is correct one. But here if we added the 27 in 85, it crosses the 100, means it comes the 3 digit number, but we require the 58 after the interchanging. So this is not our correct option. Then option number 3, 49. So for the 49, if we interchange, it comes the 94, and if we calculate the addition of the two digit, it comes the 13. So this is also first condition fulfilled. But if we added 27 in 49, so it comes the 16, 1 plus means 76. So this is not a fulfilling our criteria of 720. If you added the 27, it comes the interchanging number. So this is incorrect one. Now there is another digit another digit given, 94. 94, so it can be fulfilled addition of the 13. But if you interchange, means this one 49, or if you added this 27 here, it crosses the 100, means comes the 3 digit number, but we require the 49. So this is also incorrect one. So the only one option is there, which is the 58, means option number 1 is the correct one for the question number 10. I hope you understand. Means first of all, this two digit has to fulfill our addition of the 13. Then if we added 27 in this number, that number should be comes which is available after the interchanging. That is a main criteria, means second criteria. Now question number 11. In how many numbers from 1 to 100 does 0 appear in a tens place? Is the criteria 0 appear at the tens place? We know there are the 10 to 99, or we can say the 90. Only consider the 90. These are the two digit number which have the 0 at the unit place. We can say the unit place. Now only the 100 is the one number, such a number have 0 appears at the tens place. Means how many numbers are there? So there are the only one number. So the option number 4 is the correct one for the option question number 11. In this book at the last, the option 3 is showing the correct one, but means the 9. But this is not a criteria because of the tens place. Here the mention the tens place. So please understand tens place, okay, not a unit place mentioning, okay. Now the question number 12, the sum of the digit of two digit number is 11. Suppose this is the one digit, means unit digit, and here the 10 digit, okay. If we added this one, the summation comes the 11, okay. Then if 63 is subtracted from the number, means from this number, okay, if we deduct, means from this number, okay, I will transfer this number, suppose here same as like, and we have to subtract the 63, okay. The digit get interchanged, means we can say this unit comes at the tens place, okay, this should becomes at the tens place, and at the here means this comes at the unit place, this tens comes at the unit place. This is the criteria, means after 63 deduction. So what we will do, either we can make a assumption of the alternative, means any a or b or x y z, and then make it the equation 1 and 2, which is already as shown here. This is the method, but which is a very long method. So to save our time, best way we will go with the options. So option number 1, 38 is mentioned here, the 38. Okay, so suppose here the 38 means 38 means 3 plus 8, the 11 comes. So okay, this is the okay, this criteria is fulfilling. Now from this 38, 38 minus 63, so this comes the negative numbers. Okay, means negative numbers comes, so this is not our correct option, so this is incorrect one. Then 83, 83, if we added the 8 and 3 means 11 comes. Okay, 8 plus 3, 11 comes. So okay, this criteria is fulfilling. And from the 83, if we deduct the 63, so there is a comes 20, so which is not our previous number, means 8 means the 38. So but we require the interchanging, means 83 means 38 should be comes, but the answer comes the 20, so this 83 is also is not a correct number. Then option number 3, 92. So 9 plus 2, 11 comes. So this criteria is fulfilling. And after the deduction 63 from the 92, the answers comes. So here 29, which is the interchange of the 92. So this is a fulfilling. Then option number 4, just for the checking, 29. So 29, 2 plus 9, 11 comes. This is a fulfilling our criteria. But mine 29 minus 63, if we do, so this comes the negative number. So this is also incorrect option. So the option number 3 means 92 is a correct one. Then the question number 13, how many numbers from 70 to 90 are multiples of the 7? Now means 70 to 90, we know from means 70 comes, then 77, then 84 comes, and after 84 it's a 91 comes, but up to the 90 we have to count. So this should not be counted, so only 1, 2 and 3. So there are the 3, means the option number 2 is the correct one. Then question number 14, how many 2 digits numbers are there which are multiples of the 6? Which are multiples of the 6 in 2 digit number? Okay, in previously we have seen for the 6, how many comes here? 16 comes here, but the 6 also counted here up to the 60, tens comes, means the 6 digit also comes, but only for the 2 digit, means this 6 counting has to be deduct from 16. So here 16 minus 1, answer will be the 15 comes, so counting will be the 15. So the option number 1, 15 is the correct one. Now question number 15, how many numbers not having digit 3 are there from the numbers 1 to 9? We know how many digits having the digit 3 for the 1 to 100. So 1 to 100 there are the 20 digit. It's a same like a digit 4 we have deducted, means 18. Okay, so and a 2 digit number 33 is there, such a number having the 2 digits. So this is the double counting, but we have to count the 1 times, means instead of the 20 we have to deduct, means 19 numbers are there. This is the counting of the digit, this is the counting of the numbers, because of the three digits is counted in a 33. Now this 19 number, such a number which have the digit 3, but in question asking numbers not having. So how many numbers are there? Total 100. So 100 minus this 19, so answer comes the 81. So 81 is the option number 2. Okay, so here all the questions are completed, so we will see in a next video. Bye.